This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone call volume is too low issue. So during a call, if you see your volume is too low, don't worry. You can fix this volume is too low issue in just few steps. So the first solution is give a simple reset. Sometime restarting your phone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. And the second solution is follow these settings. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, scroll down, tap on call audio routing, and here make sure to select automatic. And tap on back twice, scroll down, tap on audio visual, and make sure the balance is at the middle, and tap on headphone accommodations and make sure it's disabled, and then check the issue. And the last solution is reset all settings. Open your settings app, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone call volume is too low issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.